What's up YouTube, and welcome to this Thanos theory video in the Marvel Cinematic Universe. So this theory is a very interesting one, and with the, I could say, revelation that we've got a Infinity Stone in the Doctor Strange movie, then it is pretty much one movie off being true. So using Thanos as an acronym, let's take a look at what ones match up. So each of the gems locations, or I would say where they actually are, will add up to Thanos. So we've got the time gem here, which is in the Tesseract, which is interesting. So we had the ether, which was the reality gem, which, as we saw in Guardians, was not the most stable of ones and took pretty much the whole of the Guardians to do an electric boogaloo to save reality and stop it being used, which was pretty cool, and I'm excited for the next Guardians film. So next up we have got the time gem, which was in the necklace, which brings us to N in the Thanos acronym. So if you're paying attention, we haven't got the H so far, but we will get to that. So the time gem was in the Eye of Agamotto, and that makes necklace. So an interesting thing there that we've got such a big time gem, or sorry, such a big infinity gem stone, whatever you want to call it, in this movie. Now, this leaves us with the S, which is the mind gem, which we saw Loki utilise to his powers as much as he could possibly use it. So he used that and used it to manipulate the Avengers shortly after they are formed. And as you will remember in Avengers, that went terribly, and I like the fact that he was just walking around with an Infinity Stone on the end of his scepter like it is NBD, no big deal. So you will remember as well from Age of Ultron, Vision has this gem in his forehead as well. So it was originally the scepter, so if you're paying attention, it was originally the scepter when it was revealed. So yeah, whatever, shut up. So we've got all of them. We have got the T, the A, the O, and the S, and of course we've got the N as well there. But what does the H mean? What is the H in Thanos? Now, a lot of people thinking it is Heimdall. Now, I think after all these years, it would have been revealed so far if Heimdall actually did have the Soul Gem. Now, I do think it's going to be revealed in a Thor franchise, which is why it is so important in the Age of Ultron movie that you saw Thor and you saw him have his kind of weird vision thing and learn about Thanos and the Infinity Gems. But he has a big movie coming up against a villain, which is something to do with souls. Now, the final soul gem will obviously, I think, be something to do with Hela, which gives us our H. Now, she is the mistress of the underworld, she controls the dead, etc. And in Thor Ragnarok, a lot of things will happen, and I think that will then reveal that she has this Infinity Gem, and it is the last one that is controlling all the souls, and that is where she gets her kind of power over this realm, which will be really, really cool, and will lead us into the whole thing with Infinity War, etc., and will link in perfectly, because it's been confirmed that there are no Infinity Gems in Guardians of the Galaxy. So the final one will be here in Thor Ragnarok. But that's it for this video. Please do drop a like, please do subscribe. I'll see you soon, and goodbye.